Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python if statement, which is branching control structure. So what is this if statement as a control structure? So it is a branching control structure. Control means condition, structure means indented block of code. So here executing indented block of code based on a condition is called as control structure. So executing indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So now coming to if statement. So if statement, it is used with a condition. So if the condition is true, then it executes indented block of code, which is known as if block code. If the condition is false, it will not execute if block code. So for example, if we take if condition with a colon, so colon is compulsory after the condition. So this condition can be true or false. If it is true, it will execute this 3 indented block of code. If the condition is false, it will not execute this indented block of code and it will come to the next statement after the if control structure. Okay, so these indented block of codes, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 need to have equal number of spaces from the left. So then only they will come under if block code. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python if statement example1.py. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So here I'm accepting a number using input function. So input enter any integer number. So integer number means positive, negative, including 0. So whatever the number we are entering, it will be in string format. So convert that into integer format using int conversion function. After converting that into integer, store that into num variable and check if num equal to 0, colon is compulsory. So the indented block of code contains only one statement and we are printing here given number is 0. Okay, if it is positive number or negative number, then it will not execute this indented block of code or if block code and directly it will print end of the program. So let us try to compile and run this or run this in Python. So directly we have to run it. So py python if statement example1.py 10. So 10 equal to 0, false. It will not execute this if block code. Directly end of the program. Next, minus 10 equals to 0, false. Directly end of the program. Next, 0. So given number is 0 and also end of the program. Both are executed. So if the condition is true, it will execute the indented block of code, which is if block code. Otherwise, it will not execute that. It will come to the next statement. So this is how we are supposed to work with if statement, which is a branching control structure. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.